Lemonway doesn't just process payments, it orchestrates the entire flow of money for platforms and marketplaces. Think of us as the secure, digital financial backbone. It all starts with money in, or the pay-in process. When a buyer on a platform makes a purchase or an investor funds their account, the money needs a secure home. This is where Lemonway steps in. We offer a wide range of payment methods, credit cards, bank transfers, even local options like Ideal, to ensure a smooth collection process. Crucially, as a regulated payment institution, we don't mix these funds with our own operating capital. The money is immediately held in segregated, secure accounts, often called e-wallets, opened in the name of the marketplace's sellers or clients. This is called ring-fencing, and it protects the funds, ensuring regulatory compliance with directives like PSD2. Next comes the money out or payout phase. Once a transaction is complete, a service is delivered, or a project is funded, the money needs to be quickly and accurately distributed to the correct recipient, whether that's a seller, a service provider, or an entrepreneur. Lemonway automates this entire process. Our platform handles the disaggregation of funds, deducting any platform commissions, fees, or taxes, and then reliably transferring the net amount to the beneficiary's external bank account. We even offer faster payouts for instant or same-day transfers, significantly improving the merchant experience. Throughout this entire flow, from the first click of a buyer to the final payment to a seller, Lemonway conducts automated KYC and AML checks to ensure every transaction is secure and compliant with European financial regulations. Our powerful API allows platforms to manage all these financial operations, compliance, and real-time reconciliation through a single, integrated system. We are the engine that turns complex financial flow management into a seamless, automated, and compliant process for Europe's leading marketplaces and fintech platforms.